Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and today we are going to find a rock lobster. It's a quick little geocache that I want to show you with another beautiful view. I think I might start doing this on Fridays, is just going to find a quick geocache with a beautiful view. This is over in James Bay, and you get a nice view of the city of Victoria right over yonder. Let's go find this geocache first. So right over there where those people are, that's where I'm going today to try to find a geocache to find you some beautiful views. So just a short walk from the downtown, you walk around into, this is James Bay. The point that I'm on right now is Laurel Point, and it's pretty amazing. You got awesome views back to the city of Victoria, and then just up and around this corner is that geocache, and I'll try to find it. There's some people out here because it's such a beautiful day in December, so let's go try to be a little sneaky and find this. Come on to you. Ah, geez, in these rocks somewhere. Okay, so I've definitely found it. There's some people around, like that guy. Let's see how he jamming my hand in holes again. Jody, you'd be so proud. Rock lobster. So yeah, this is a cool little all right, so this is it here. Just wanted to show you a quick little cache with some cool views. Like I said, I think this is see, geocache logbook. There's a trackable in there. I don't know enough about the trackables, so I'm gonna leave them alone myself. I'll leave that to people that you know better about it. There's a pretty sweet car. I might take that and trade it in for my Toyota Corolla. Oh, some Yankee Doodle flights for darts. Those are kind of cool. But oh, there's another. It's a friendship tag. A friend is one of the nicest things you can have, and one of the best things you can be. Well, thanks for reminding me that I do these geocaches alone, you jerks. I know, I'm just messing with you. I have friends. They don't like me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick little geocache here that had some pretty cool views. I thought we were going to get more of a view of the city line of Victoria, but don't fret, my preciouses. We'll walk around the corner and I'll show you that view. Anyways, I'm yammering, and If you like this, click the me likey button. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'm going to do way more geocaching adventures, and there's going to be other things involved with the geocaching as well. I'm not going to stop doing my regular adventures and things. I'm just going to have a purpose to do them now. So anyways, follow along, like it, watch it, all that jazz.